Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. To me, nothing is better than laying in the backyard on a warm summer day and listening to the birds sing. And this beautiful quilted double hammock from Tuscan Outdoor makes it an even more enjoyable experience. It's perfect for reading in the sunshine, taking a quick nap, or just watching the birds in the trees and wasting the day away. Not only do I love the way this hammock looks with its brightly colored stripes, but I also love how durable it is. I have left this hammock during a thunderstorm and also in the blazing sun, and it shows no signs of wear or fading. It has endured my kids playing on it and the wind knocking it over. I'm very excited that this hammock is going to last me for a long time. I found that it's very easy to keep it clean. Even with my busy life and the kids, everything seems to wash off very easily. And also, it's very easy to set up. Right out of the box, I hung it, tied the pillow on, and I was ready to relax. So if you're ready to kick this summer into high gear and relax and refresh in the warm sunshine, then I highly recommend this beautiful hammock from Tuscan Outdoor. And that's my point of view.